Fujifilm finally did it. After years of waiting, the Fujifilm X-E5 is here, and honestly, this camera feels very different from most modern mirrorless cameras. While many brands are focused only on specs and numbers, Fujifilm made a camera that actually feels exciting to use. And that might be the biggest reason why photographers are already falling in love with it. The X-E5 is not trying to be the biggest or the fastest camera on the market. Instead, it focuses on something much more important. It makes you want to go outside and shoot photos again. The compact body, retro design, tactile dials, and lightweight feel give this camera a personality that most cameras simply do not have anymore. The first thing you notice is the design. Fujifilm kept the classic rangefinder style that made the X-E series popular in the first place, but now everything feels more premium. The aluminum top plate gives the camera a solid and expensive feel in the hand. It looks like an old film camera, but inside it is packed with modern technology. And that mix of vintage style and modern performance is exactly why Fujifilm cameras have such a loyal fanbase. But the real story starts when you turn the camera on. The Fujifilm X-E5 uses the same 40.2 megapixel sensor found in Fujifilm's higher-end cameras. That means the image quality here is seriously impressive. Photos are packed with detail. Colors look rich and cinematic. Dynamic range is excellent. Even JPEG images straight out of the camera look beautiful without editing. And this is where Fujifilm still beats many competitors. The film simulations are simply addictive. Once you start using them, it becomes hard to go back to normal camera colors. Classic chrome gives photos a documentary look. Velvia makes landscapes pop with color. Acros creates stunning black and white images. The camera almost feels like multiple cameras in one because every film simulation changes the mood completely. What makes the X-E5 even more interesting is the new film simulation dial. Fujifilm turned film profiles into part of the shooting experience itself. Instead of digging through menus, you can instantly switch between creative looks while shooting. It sounds like a small thing, but it changes how you interact with the camera. Photography feels more creative and less technical. Now let's talk about one of the biggest upgrades in the X-E5 in-body image stabilization. This is the first X-E series camera to include IBIS, and honestly, it changes everything. Handheld shooting becomes much easier, especially at night or indoors. You can shoot at slower shutter speeds without getting blurry images. For travel photographers and street shooters, this is a huge deal because it means you can leave the tripod at home most of the time. And the stabilization also helps video performance. Yes, the X-E5 is surprisingly capable for video creators. It supports high-quality 6.2K recording and 10-bit video.